There's a shop. Going inside my shop. There's my new lights. Got 3 fluorescent lights with 2 bulbs, six light bulbs. Here's the welding workbench. There's my stainless steel that I'm using for patch panels, making homemade patch panels. There's my workbench. There's the fan. There's my other light. There's my bee blaster. There's my old engine. There's my old ture part tractor. There's my cab. There's a new cab corner. There's my exhaust for my diesel.
Instantly to your TV plus DVDs by mail. Netflix now delivers movies 2 ways. Instantly to your TV.
Here's my plug for the fuel neck hole, patch it. There's my inner homemade cab corner that I fabricate from scratch.
Try one out for yourself right now during Honda Performance Days. Go to shop.com and sign up for your chance to take a
Here's my inner
course to start an IndyCar race in the
body mount panel.
driven by Mario Andretti.
There's my inner panel. That's all the parts. There's all my window parts.
Sunday, August 29th, the 11th annual Country in the Park comes to Capitol Mall in downtown Sacramento. Brought to you by Bill Brothers Millionaire and starring Dirk Bentley. Tickets are on sale now. Participate.
There's my panel for my gauges.
Also starring Jackie Group. It's a full day of music, great food, and more, including the Coors Light Beer Garden, Dirk Bentley, and Jackie Group. The KCI's Country in the Park. Brought to you in part by
There's the cat. That's how it's gonna look. It's gonna look just like that. So a gauge. Pretty cool. There's motor light. It's real bright in here. I like it bright. See shit. It's good. Alright, I'm gonna show you inside my new. There's my. Inside there is a panel. You can't see it. There ain't no light right here. There's my hose reel mounted. There's my cab corner for the right side. And there's my rocker panel, patch panel. Replace it. There's my fender. There's the front of my truck. There's a bumper. Over there is my door. There's my hood again. There's all my parts. There's my inner panel. You can't really see it because it's inside the storage shed. There's my welder, all broken down. Needs a new motor. Just electrical and a new motor. There's my seat that I gotta replace. I'm gonna reupholster it. There's my running board. There's my other right fender. Need it redone. There's my drive shaft.